Hi everybody, welcome to Khong Driving. You may not be able to see me, but I'm here, alright. And it was supposed to be a nice and dry night, but I see a little bit of drizzle. And here we are, doing our first night drive for a very, very long time. And with me in the car is Leon.
Hello.
And we're going to take a slow drive up. So here goes. Yep, you can see a bit of rain, so we have to be careful. You don't know how bad the rain is going to be. Oh, you see, just as we start, the rain starts pouring down. Oh no! Woo! Okay, easy. What a bummer, man. It just became wet just like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are in the Golf R. And we're going to be very, very careful in the wet. It's 9:30 in the night and there's still a lot of traffic. Look for the hole on the left. Cannot see. I think they patched it up. Thank you so much. Take it easy. Wet. Is that an FD2R?
Nope.
Fake one.
Yeah.
Easy on the throttle. Basically, in the rain, you have to have your car straight before you power, so that you don't have any understeer or pushing off into the bushes. Easy. Okay, so guys, when you are driving in the rain, you have to feed your steering into the corner bit by bit. Don't make sudden turns with your steering. Do all your braking while the car is on the straight, and don't brake too much. So that means you cannot go at too high a speed. because if you go too high a speed, you might not be able to slow down the car enough for the corner. Yeah, and you brake, shift down, then you take the line and you power in a straight line. So your exit attitude is very important. We'll just be careful of this car. Okay, he slowed down for us. Thank you very much. This part is dry. Yeah, it has dried up because this is on the other side of the hill. So that is what you call relief rain. The wind, you know, you study in geography, the wind blows the air up the hill, and then it gets cold, and then it releases all the moisture, because when it's cold it cannot hold so much moisture.
Yeah.
Thank you. Very nice of him to slow down for us and go to one side. Okay, we have the bus in the fast lane. Look at the bus taking racing lines.
Yeah.
Oh, he's going very fast.
Probably an empty bus.
Yeah. Need to have the wipers faster. I turned them down and then found out that you cannot see the road. Okay, so we see a FC in front, and that was the first part. Okay, so guys, the road was half wet and half dry, and now it's getting wet again. Okay, so always expect the unexpected. So that was a nice, comfortable drive, right, Leon?
Mm-hmm.
Nice and easy. guy with his highlights on. Oh, they changed the road. They moved the barriers. That's the bump in the road. Here's where I went into the oversteer, but it didn't happen today. I went slower, I think.
No, the rain washed all the oil away.
Yeah, could be. There's a very slow car on the right hand lane.
Yeah, it's an Ioniq 5.
Jump there. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to turn traction control off. That's why the car didn't oversteer.
But I think the traction control didn't kick in as well.
Yeah, because I was going so slow. Yeah, it didn't. And Leon heaves a sigh of relief because we are here, up here, yeah!
No, not sigh of relief. It's over too soon.
Let's have the light on.
Yeah, I'll send you.
Not the other way.
Yeah.
Yay! Alright guys, can you see? Oh, it's the back, never mind. It's okay. Alright guys, so that was our slow drive up the hill, and it was actually meant to be a night drive, and it has turned out into a night and wet drive. So anyway, that was the Golf R, and the headlights on this car are from CSB-PRO, so they are quite good. And of course, in the mist you can't see anything anyway, but where it mattered, the lights were good. Thanks very much, CSB-PRO. And thanks, Leon, for not touching the aircon. Alright guys, so till we meet again, ta-ta.
Bye.